Hi y'all, thank you for checking out my channel. Today we are going to make some pan-fried salmon. Pop the salmon into the sink, a clean one, and rinse them with a good amount of cold water. Go in with a big tablespoon of salt and scrub them on the sides lightly. Don't squish them, but you want to remove all the impurities. Give it an extra clean. You can see it's much cleaner, and rinse them off, rinse all the salt off because I am not going to eat all this salt, and put them aside for dried up. Make sure they're really dry because it's going to be into hot oil. So heat up your large wok or large pan, frying pan, and go in with a smashed garlic. I'm going to infuse my oil with garlic. It's going to be garlicky smell. You know, Asian, we're cooking with a lot of garlic, especially when it comes to seafood. Always trying to throw in a garlic. You can smell it from far, far away, and that's already suck you in with that garlic smell. So go in with your salmon steak. These are about an inch thick, so it won't take long. I'm frying with high heat today, so I just leave them in there, get my tension away, go smash some garlic, make me some nice sauce. You see how some of the area of the salmon was kind of pale looking, especially that small piece there. It means if the other side is ready. So this was probably about 3 to 5 minutes on one side. I have to use my right tool because I couldn't control with that. So the skin sort of stuck together, nicely release them. But the white area is a good indication that the other side has been cooked through maybe 2/3 of the way. So that's a good time to flip them over. This is going to be crispy. You see how nicely golden brown they are. Oh my God, that's so good. So now just leave them there for another 3 to 5 minutes. Go back to your sauce. I got about 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And go in with probably about 2 tablespoons of lime and 6 tablespoons of water. So, I mean, I'm using tablespoons, but you can just go with the portion that you like. What I'm looking for is sweet, sour, and salty. That will give me just about the right time to take out my salmon. Isn't that good? I mean, it probably takes about 15 to 20 minutes while your rice is going in the steamer, in the rice cooker. By the time you take these out, the rice should be ready. After 6 o'clock, 6:30, you're coming home. Dinner is served like 7 o'clock, not even. So get your sauce out. If you have young children, don't put hot pepper in. Put them separately like me. Look how beautiful. Now the rice, you shouldn't be feeling this much if you are Asian or Vietnamese like me. Now I live here by myself and my family, so I don't have to conform to all those traditions. So you see how salmon is so moist and crispy. It's so good. You see all that fat layer around there? It's not too thick. Oh my, I love it. I'm gonna eat the skin first. Oh, it is so good, so satisfying. And then going in with a little bit of steamed rice. Oh, it's still so good. I'm telling you, you gotta try this out. Dip it in a little sweet, a little sour, and a little salty. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a try. If you like this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate if you let me know. If you want some future videos on Vietnamese home cooking, you are at the right place. So click that red subscribe button, and so you don't miss a single video. I cook a lot, often for dinner and meal prep. You know, I cook meal for a few days so that I will save my money and save my time, and at the same time trying to stay healthy. So I thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.